how to change the handwriting language on the Samsung Notes on the Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. Then swipe up to go into app screen and tap on Samsung Notes. In Samsung Notes, All Notes, tap on the menu key on the left hand side and then tap on the settings button. In settings, you want to go down and tap on handwriting language. In here, you can choose a language. So select a language that is appropriate for your use. Now, to allow the phone to better predict your handwriting, make sure that you correct the most closely match your language. So if you choose English, there are a lot of different type of language. You got English AU, English UK, you got English US. Then there are other English languages such as India. So select the most relevant language to your handwriting and then go back, and that's it. So that's how you can change the handwriting language for your Samsung Notes application on the Galaxy S21 series. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.